Okay, next batch.
Next batch. Here we have one case from Mr. Attorney Ball himself.
Who gave us the Jordan LeBron
Yeah.
earlier. Can it be the real dual logo man this time?
Chris Bosh also played very well. And
Oh yes.
he lost.
He made 2 crucial free throws.
Bayless.
Jerry Bayless? Number 12.
Kevin
K-
Garnett. Stephen Curry. OJ Mayo.
Come on.
Gold. Uy, Nowitzki.
Wait, 1 of 1 ba?
No, I thought it was a 1 of 1.
Because it's at the it's at the end.
Yeah, the reflection, huh? That would have been nice, the one of Nowitzki. Come on.
Dwight Howard. Dawson again.
Uy,
Julius Irving.
Exclusive signature patch. What's that?
Signature patch.
Number 250.
Number 2.
50
yeah.
yes.
Barbosa.
Uy.
Gold. Hansbrough again.
40 or 50.
Kevin Garnett 10 of 25.
Come on, saving grace. Last pack.
Then Jordan. It cannot be the 1 of 1 anymore, right?
Yes.
Of any kind.
Really? Oh, yeah, we have both.
You got the base 1 of 1 and the auto patch 1 of 1. No rookie flashbacks eh? Ay, no rookie retro.
No. Chase.
Who's that? Mo Williams.
Mo Williams.
Meron pala siyang ganyan.
Oo nga, parang hindi ko rin-
Exquisite base auto. Michael
Uy,
Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Oh.
Good.
Oh, another Jordan for me. I got saved.
Josh Howard.
Pangit pa
What's
ito,
that?
hindi ko na mag-boss na list.
Patrick Mills.
Patrick Mills.
And a Antoine
Antoine.
Jamison.
Antoine
To be traded
Jamison.
away Jamison.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Anton Jameson? Why? I thought they should give Gilbert na.
No one will take you for
No, they will take. So pala yung sweldo.
Gilbert.
Manu.
Manu.
Harden.
Harden.
Sino yan?
Noble nameplates Derrick Rose number 2. 19.
Oh, pwede na yan.
Weird numbering.
Butcha.
Oh, now it's Sasha. Patrick Mills. What's that?
Roy
Roy
Hibbert.
Hibbert. Oh, yan.
And Dwayne Wade, Mr. MVP.
MVP.
Oh, it's a one of
Put it there,
one. It's
Fred.
a one of one.
For the last
Since nobody
Yeah.
wants it, I'm keeping it again.
Nobody wants it, but we wanted it back.
Yeah. I'm putting it in my collection.
At a change of heart. It
Yeah,
was on
it's super
eBay.
because we already have the one of one auto pad, so it's just
It was on eBay a few days
makes
ago.
sense to keep this also. Maybe we want to sell it together. Yeah,
Next time.
better. Yeah, better.
Devon Summers.
Ang
Grant
ganda
Hill.
naman ng patch na yan.
What?
Grant Hill.
What's wrong with this
jersey.
Deron Williams.
Oh, it's so weird.
Ang weird ah.
Uy,
Rookie patch.
Rookie patch! Rookie patch!
Come on, come
guy?
on!
Black hair.
Ano,
Kevin
KG.
Garnett.
Pwede na rin.
Man.
Oo, ako bubuksan ko pa
Any rookie patch is good.
Gugupitin ko na rin. Medyo...
Brendan Wright.
Ano ko ba? Grant Hill na patch? Pwede na yun.
It's not a patch, it's just a jersey.
Yes, it's number 250.
Fine. Palibasa kasi.
Whatever.
Bakit iniinom yan? Siguro...
What's that? Chris Bosh.
James
James.
Johnson.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Goodness.
Station
Station Prince.
we have to sign.
Diyan, dito po sa'yo.
Dwight Howard. Base parallel auto. Gold.
Oh,
again,
again?
Hansbrough.
Three.
Is that the third?
Yes,
Yes,
three hands.
Sure?
Three
Third
gold
today?
hands, bros.
Yes, third.
Third hands, bro.
No.
David Lee.
Okay lang
Oh,
yan.
is he playing?
No, he's injured.
Yeah, no.
Injured.
And
Durant.
Kevin Durant.
Si Durant di ba all-star?
Mm.
Of course.
Did he do anything good?
Of
I
course.
did watch it. I don't have ESPN.
Why?
Huh?
Are you poor?
It's not on ESPN.
Real.
It's on BTV and Channel 9.
It's not in ESPN.
What?
Steve Nash.
Oh.
Skills Challenge champion?
Robert
Oh,
Parrish.
Robert Parrish. There's a lot of space that you can sign on.
Eric Gordon.
Maybe he thought it was a dual auto.
Yeah. He maybe thinks that he's
Rook.
going to sign together with LeBron.
Ricky Rubio. AI, 3 of 25.
Uy, old
Uy,
jersey number.
Old jersey
Oh,
number.
my wife is calling.
And Melo.
Yes. My wife also called kanina.
Hi, wifey.
Oh,
Still
reporting for
here.
duty ah.
We just started, Brian was late, you know. Yeah. But we'll be done in a little while.
Badig na badig ang dating ang boots.
We'll be done in a little while. I'm
Yeah.
live in the video, okay? So I cannot talk.
Yeah.
Bye, I'll
Sige.
see you later.
Yung kapal sa
Love
gitna.
you.
I love you.
Love you pa daw.
What will you do later?
The one.
Do.
The one.
Do what?
The one Summers. Grant Hill again.
Oh, it's a weird arrangement again
rookie patch yan,
ah.
rookie
Oy.
patch yan. Rookie auto. Hindi, iba.
Uy.
dual.
Uy,
Dual.
Jordan LeBron!
muntik
That's
na!
my side again, ha? That's my side again, ha?
I thought it was a Jordan
That's my side
Tiger
again,
Woods.
ha? That's my side again, ha?
Okay, fine.
I already pulled 3 Jordans on my
Okay,
side,
fine,
ha?
fine.
3 Jordans.
Wow.
Fine.
3 Jordans on my side.
Dual exquisite patches, 4 of 23, and now dual number pieces, 3 of 23.
Wow. It's almost jersey number. Except there's no 2, there's the 3.
And
So
they're
it's
both
half the jersey number.
3-color
3 of
patches.
23.
Abdo.
Missing 2.
Ginobili.
Oh. Oh, uy. Oh.
Yeah.
Whose side is that from?
That's his pa rin.
Oh,
That's us.
it's okay.
It's okay.
Auto base, Chris Paul.
I already pulled 3 Jordans.
Yeah, but you keep on getting the auto base, so not that bad.
Well, yeah. Oh, Jennings.
Galing ni dyan ah.
Chris Bosh.
Yeah.
And another Dwayne Wade.
Last case.
Both 3-color patches, oh. Wow.
Wait. Kakat natin.
Ano yan?
Last two daw pa eh.
Okay, so we'll be back for the next 2 cases.